Well, hey, what is up, you guys? I am Benji and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and I guess a tryout. It's not really a review because I've never used it before, but we're going to try out this. It's a Ranein, I think I'm saying that right. It's a propane portable water heater. So you have to have it charged up. It does have a battery in here. And this one says it has a 65-minute usage from when you charge up this battery all the way until I guess the battery runs out. 65 minutes, that's a long time. So let's open this up and let's see what's inside. Alright, so it has the box in a box. Looks like this has cords and stuff. We'll look at this in a second. So here it is. Give you guys a little close up. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. So this little tag, it just says where the power switch is. I have a little, looks like instructions here. And let's go to our box. Okay, here's our little box. Okay, I guess the hot water hose because it's red. Got some extra O-rings in here. And your shower thing. Okay. Here's the blue water hose. This will be your inlet. It's the blue one here. And this is your, I guess, the pump. You'll put this into the water, like this. Say it's a bucket. Stick that in the bucket, and then this will go, I guess, to the blue one here. We'll set it up in a minute. And it also has a power cord on it. This would be for the pump down here. What else we got? Alright, this is our car charger. So you can charge this in the car. That's one of these cigarette lighter plugs, and this will go to the machine. Here is this looks like what goes on a propane tank. I'm guessing that's what this is. Okay, this goes to the back of the machine, and then this part goes to the propane tank. So we'll check this out in a minute. All I can guess this is you attach it to a pole. Looks like it has a hole here that adjusts. Attach it to a pole like this, and then your shower thing can go on here, I think. And the last thing in here is this box. Okay, this is the power supply for inside the home. So this would just plug into here. Then you can plug this in. I haven't charged this up yet, So I don't know if it has any power or not. The first time ever getting it out of the box. So let's see if we can hook it up. So, this is 12 volt DC in. Let's see what's on the back. Alright, turned on. You see our battery is dead, but it's charging. So let this charge up. Then we'll take it outside. We have a creek in the back and it's been really cold. There should be some ice down there hopefully, and we can measure the creek water, see how cold it is, and then we'll measure how warm it is coming out of this to see, you know, how hot it can actually get from cold water, which I think will be a neat experiment. So let's hook up the pump to be our cold water here. That was easy. You just pulled back the little blue thing and shoved it on, and then it stayed in place. This is our pump power, which goes right here. That shut off the charging, so we're going to take that off. Uh-oh. Might have turned it on. Alright, we're charging again. Let's hook up the hot water. And here's the thing, this just kind of pulls back a little. You see? Now is this not charging? I don't know. Anyway, here's our thing. Hopefully it's charging. I don't know why it keeps, maybe the screen shuts off while it's charging. I haven't read the instructions yet, so that could be the problem. I'm going to hook this up to here. This is where your hot water will come out from. It has a stopper. It says stop. And push it. I guess it makes the water stop. Push it on. Then it has 3 different streams on here. It has just a drop. Let me see if you guys can see this. There we go. 3 different modes, a drop, like a little bit, and then I guess a lot. And you guys, there we go. This hose seems, it's plenty, probably can't see me. This hose seems plenty big. If this were on the ground, you should be able to stand up and use it just fine as a shower. So now let's hook up our propane thing on the back. Actually, first, let's look at the instructions. Okay, yes, this goes on the back. It's the gas regulator. Okay, and this is an exhaust port on the side. It's an exhaust port. Okay, this is a fuse, just in case you blow a fuse right here. Okay, there's air inlets on the bottom. This is where air gets into it. Seems simple enough. Okay, so let's do this. So you add your propane tank to here. It looks like it takes those little green ones, which I think I have one laying around, so I'll check it in a minute. And this goes on here. Got that on pretty tight so we don't have any gas leaks. Alright, I'm just going to attach my propane tank back here, and then we should be good to go. I'm going to let it charge up for a little bit, then we will go try it out. Okay, so I got this thing for free. A company sent it to me saying, hey, do you want to review this for your channel? I said, I mean, it looks kind of cool. Sure, I'll try it, but I don't actually need one of these. I don't want it. I'll probably give it away to one of you guys. If one of you guys want it, just let me know down in the comments, and maybe we can do a giveaway or something for this, because I don't think I'm ever going to use it. It's for like if you go glamping or camping and you just want a hot shower, or maybe you have an RV and your hot water heater broke in your RV, this could be a good backup. So that's what this is. Now the company sent it to me for free, and when they sent it to me, they said, hey, do you want this? It's, you know, battery powered. I'll put in the email what they sent me. And I did not know when I first looked at it that it took propane. The advertisement for it made it seem like it was just battery powered, which I thought was cool. I didn't like having to, when it got here, and I looked at it and the box said Propane Portable Water Heater. I was like, oh man, I didn't want to have to use propane also. So I didn't like that because their advertising was a little bit deceptive, I thought, but it's still cool, and they have to heat the water somehow, so I get that it's a propane one. I just think their advertisement should have said the very first page, hey, it's a propane water heater, not an electric water heater, because it's actually both. It takes electric and the propane. The electric, I'm guessing, just does the pump, and the propane heats it. So I get that they need it, their advertising seemed deceptive to me. But they give it to me for free. I'll give it to one of y'all if you want it. Just let me know in the comments. We'll do a giveaway or something. So once it charges up, we'll take it down to the creek and we will try it out. We'll see how well it actually works. All right, we're down at the creek, and I got this the portable water heater. I got my gas can. We're gonna hook it up real quick. All right, we got it on. Okay, let's turn it on. We got our power on, pump. Plugged in. All right. I have a thermometer. .5 degrees. All right, so we'll check it. We'll put the input water into this bowl. We'll check and see, put it flat. See what it is here. So we're gonna put the pump in the water. We got our pump going in the water. Get this a little bit closer. Okay. Supposed to be on. I hear it doing stuff. I just heard the... here it comes. I just heard the fire catch inside there. Right now it's on minimum heat. Put it on max. Still chilly. Okay, this is cool. Let me show you this. Get you guys off here. This is kind of neat. It has a degrees thing here. It shows you the water temperature is 41 degrees and what's coming out, it says, is 77. So let's see over here. It's exactly what my thermometer is saying too. 77 degrees. Let's see if it'll get any hotter. $79. And my battery's dead. I only charged it for like maybe 10 or 15 minutes inside there. Got 78.6 now in here. So it's working. It says it's 79 coming out. So, all right, so it's working. We're at like 79 degrees. It says coming out of this thing. So let's dump the bucket. You got me. Let's try filling this up again with only this water now that's warm. It's saying 81 right now. That's exactly what the thermometer is saying too, is 81. So it's gone up 40 degrees. So the creek water is 41 degrees. This is putting out 81 degrees. So it goes up 40 degrees. Let me see how that feels with my hand. That's warm. I'm not sure. I mean, I think that'd be warm enough to take a shower in. It'll be a lot better than 41 degrees. So let's check the different modes of this. Let's check the different modes of this shower head. Gives you a more of a shower. It's not very strong, you see, but it's kind of cool. And then let's check the other one. Oops, I pushed the stop. All right, you guys, that was the trial there. I just shut it off and I drained all the water out. You can see you open this up, you take off the hoses and you drain it. And I thought I was recording all that, but obviously I didn't. I forgot to hit the record button, so my bad. Here's the machine. This is what it looks like actually. In their advertisements, they do not show that it has a propane tank, and they're very deceptive about their advertisement. All their pictures, it just shows it front on, the side, and the other side without the propane tank, without the propane tank attachment right here. And you have to look on like the very last page of the pictures where it ever even says anything about it being propane powered. Obviously it needs to heat the water, so I know why it has propane, but I think they should have said that more obviously and even showed it hooked up to a propane tank, so to make it obvious. They say that it's battery powered, and they make that very obvious, but that's it. So thumbs down for the company for bad advertising. I don't like deceptiveness, but the product seems to work pretty good. We got about 45 degrees at the hottest of warmer water difference. So 41 in there. We got up to 86, maybe 87 degrees in our little bucket we were filling up. So that's pretty good. 45, 46 degree difference I think is worth it. So this would be good like if you go camping somewhere and you don't have a source of hot water. They don't have provided showers, they just have a spigot outside your campsite. This would work nicely to be able to take a warm shower. So good for glamping. The machine actually works pretty good. It is supposed to charge from dead to 80% in 1 hour, which is pretty quick. I like that. And it was very easy to use. You just screw on the propane tank, plug in the hoses, which were very easy to plug in, and you go, it works. I wouldn't recommend using it in a creek like this because you'll probably clog your pump pretty quick, but it does have a filter on it. I'll show you. It does have a little filter in here to try to keep bigger stuff out of there, which is good. I just did it down here because it's kind of cool. There's some actually some ice in the creek too. It's pretty chilly out. And the machine actually worked pretty good, so I'll give the machine a thumbs up. The business, I'll give them a thumbs down. Pretty deceptive advertisement. I don't like that. If you guys would like this thing, just put it in the comments. You know, I'll try to figure out a way to get it to you. Or if a lot of people are interested, we'll do a giveaway or something. You guys just let me know in the comments what y'all think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you next time, guys.